Yo, what's going on, fam? Welcome back to T&Leetv. You know why, y'all? Because it's the place to be. So today I'm coming at you with another challenge. This challenge is going to be the half a bird plus one challenge.
What you say now? What you do now? T&Lee, and we back with the crew now. Crab shrimp, and you know we review now. Cooking up all this real nice food now. What you said now? What you need now? Mukbang green screen HD now. Go ahead and subscribe, join the family. T&Lee is the place to be.
So you get the top half of the bird or the bottom half of the bird, or you can split the bird right down the middle. You get a breast wing, thigh, drumstick. But if you do whatever side you decide to do, make sure you get an extra piece. I prefer you to get the smaller piece, but if you want to do the bigger piece, go right ahead. So you get a large side, whatever side you like to get. I got mashed potatoes. And in order to make this a real challenge, this is gonna be 2 times spicy. Everything gotta be 2 times spicy. Everything gotta have sauce on it. So if you do decide to get 2 breasts, 2 wings, I went ahead and threw an extra wing, so you know it could be that one instead of getting an extra breast. Or if you decide to do 2 thighs, 2 drumsticks, go ahead and throw an extra drumstick on there, so you have a total of 5 pieces. What you're gonna do is go ahead and sauce them down. You will put 10 minutes on the clock and eat it all. That's the challenge. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and pray and we'll go get right into it. Lord, I'd like to thank you for this food, that no harm shall come through this food, that this food should be a blessing from you to me and my Lord and Jesus Christ. Amen. All right, so I'm finna go ahead and get right into it. And I actually got to pause because I didn't grab no utensils. All right, so I return spoon, sit my spoon off to the side. I sit it right back there. All right, so like normal, I'm not gonna see the time until this video get edited. So I'm gonna drench the chicken, then you can start your timer. All right, probably not drenched, but you just cover your chicken up. You know what I'm saying? Just cover your chicken up. Make sure all your chicken got some on it, you know what I mean? All right, guys, so once you got your chicken all covered up, you know, I ain't gonna be no pain about having it all the way covered. You ain't gotta have it all the way covered. As long as you have some 2 times spicy, you put it on it, you eat it, it's good enough for me. On your mark, get set, go. bottom. Challenge is complete. I don't know if I won yet or not, but guys, sorry, excuse me for that. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. Definitely. If you don't want to do this challenge, tell your friends and family to do this challenge. This challenge is gonna make you sweat. It's quite a decent amount of food there, and it's kind of hot. No gloves, no drink, no nothing. But until next time, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out our personal channels. Those links will be down in the description box below. Don't forget to go check out Nyiah. Her link will be down in the description box below. But until next time, guys, peace.